All right, 4th of July got me again. I needed a pressure washer, so I bought this pressure washer at Lowe's. Got it on sale for the 4th of July, and I've asked my two helpers here to help me put the thing together. And so they're gonna put it together and we're gonna see how this baby works.
You're good. Now just hook that on the side and push.
Doesn't like that.
Just use gravity.
Doesn't like that.
Why? What do you have to do?
Smell that gas.
Okay, so now we're gonna turn on the water. Other way.
Thank you.
Go and lead it out.
You have to pull the red
Push the
button.
red button.
It's a safety thing.
Connor, go stand right over there by the deck.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Get back.
You ever been hit by a pressure washer?
Nah.
You don't want to either.
No, you don't. Okay,
Take skin off.
now let's see where the choke is on here. So we got it on. We got a choke.
Is that the choke?
Yep.
Oh, yep, you're right.
Connor, get out the way, dude. Okay, go ahead and pull it.
Aight. Do you need the perimeter or anything?
I don't think so. Okay, now to try the Soap-O-Matic 3000. See how that works out. And go ahead. Let's put the water in.
Oh.
So overall, guys, I love it. It's consumer grade, but it really does a great job. Did a great job on the car, And a soap dispenser, I got it at Lowe's for 24 bucks. And the turbo nozzle, I got it at the Menards. I do believe I got that for 15, 17, something like that. But got this at Lowe's for, on the special it was I think 79, and then I got an extra military discount because I'm a former military guy. So that was another 10%. So I got that for about 340, 350. And these couple of things here. Like I said, consumer grade, but for what I do, I love it. Absolutely love it. So for me, it gets 2 thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching. And holy smokes, all this money I'm spending on 4th of July sales. I gotta go to work. I gotta make some money, pay for all of this stuff.